And a critical piece of evidence in the case against Richard Allen in the Delphi murders. Police believe an unfired bullet at the crime scene links Allen to the 2017 deaths. But how reliable is that type of evidence? ITMate's Cody Fisher went to a gun expert to find out.
The gun expert I'm speaking with tells me it is possible to link an unspent round to a specific gun, but it's also something that can be challenged in court.
This is a .40 caliber Sig Sauer Model P226. According to the prosecution, it's the same model of gun Richard Allen has, linking him to an unspent round found between the bodies of Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017. This gun was loaded with fake rounds to show what it takes to eject an unspent round.
You have the extractor of a gun, which is just a little claw that sits inside the slide of a semi-automatic firearm.
Guy Relford is a gun range instructor and a defense attorney who handles gun cases exclusively. He says there are a few reasons why an unspent round might be ejected.
It could be a malfunction, it could be to induce fear in someone.
A gun makes an imprint on the round when it's ejected, whether it's spent or unspent.
When that little metal claw made contact with this metal shell casing, part of the cartridge, it left a mark.
According to Relford, each gun leaves its own unique signature on a casing when it's ejected.
It's been accepted in courts that with the right level of magnification and the right analysis, it can be as conclusive as fingerprints.
Just because the probable cause affidavit says the unspent round belonged to Allen's gun doesn't mean it is. Even the police affidavit calls the bullet identification subjective in nature. Relford says that could come down to expert witness testimony about how the round was analyzed and the level of magnification used to look at it.
You could very easily have defense experts say it's not as reliable and it's not as conclusive. And shouldn't be the basis for a jury finding beyond a reasonable doubt that someone committed a crime.
Relford tells me that if Richard Allen's attorneys can prove scientifically that the unspent round did not come from Allen's gun, it would completely change where this case could go. Reporting in Indianapolis, Cody Fisher, Wish TV, ITMate.